everybody, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Shellie Geigle with J&S Hobbies and Crafts, and today I have another project share with you. This is 6 1/4 by 8 1/4. It's a folio. Now I know on my last project share, the Stamperia Blue Dream, the beach themed album I did, a lot of you asked for a cutting guide or tutorial, and there is none. And there's none for this. However, this folio design is the same, just about the same, as the folio I made with the Heartfelt Creations Floral Shoppe. So if you wanted the cutting guide for this, you can always download the cutting guide for the Heartfelt Creations Floral Shoppe folio that I did. And I'll point out the differences because the paper, I tailored to the paper with this, and there's not much difference really. So on the cover, there is a magnetic for this flip, but I'm going to take you around really quick, and there's lots of room. It's roomy in there. Another thing you can do if this is like too plain for you is you can add some flowers and leaves to give it a little bit more. I just left mine plain. So let's open this up. So it just opens up, and as in the Floral Shoppe, there is a waterfall first thing you see. So I'm going to go ahead and flip this. The difference is when I used the Floral Shoppe paper, I covered these completely. Now I was conserving on this because I used 1 pack of the Mintay Her Story. So these just flip up. Place a photo here too. Now it folds out and we have a pocket. And there's a pocket in the Floral Shoppe over here as well. I have some photo mats in there. This paper is easy to work with and it's really pretty. I love it. Over here, it's a flip, and this is the same thing as in the Floral Shoppe. I just put some lace down here, and there's a place here for a photograph, just like in the other, and a place down here. The only difference is in the Floral Shoppe, I used a cut apart and kind of placed it right over here. So if you want to review the Floral Shoppe folio, the walkthrough that I do before you go into the materials list and all that, you can do that, and you'll see that there's a little sentiment right here, and used as a tuck. You can put your pictures back behind. So we fold out again, and there's a place right here. You can just place your photograph. Right here is a pocket. Now, in the cutting guide, I don't believe there's a pocket. I created this because in the Floral Shoppe, what I used is one of the cut-aparts. It was an urn. It was a large urn, and I created a pocket out of that. So you can always make your own pocket here. I got some photo mats. Isn't that pretty? And of course, I used some lace. So over here, there's a place for a photograph or two on the landscape. And you fold this over, and I just created a belly band with some lace, and I can get more photo mats in there. And then this flips over again, and there's places here for photographs. And then over here, this is a place for photographs, so you can get a good size on the landscape. You can get a couple, or like this, or like this. And then that folds out again, and you can place your photos here. And I believe in the Floral Shoppe there is a pocket. And I just placed a bunch, and I have a larger one here too. And then all this does is it just folds back in on itself. Just keep folding. It folds, and there it is. So I hope you like this inspirational videos. I am going to try and get a bunch of these out from time to time while I'm working on tutorials. Because right now I have a tutorial off to the side here I've been working on. But I do like to, from time to time, just sit down and just play with paper, just make something and share it. And do be sure to like and subscribe if you haven't done so. Happy crafting, and I'll see you on my next tutorial or project share.